3 of our cruise ship. As we're talking, we got a little boat coming up alongside of our cruise ship. I don't know what they want.
They did come all the way up to the cruise ship, so what did they get from somebody?
I don't know. Hey, look at me. Look at me. I am the captain now. So hey there, welcome to day 3 of our getaway excursion. Today we're going to be docking in Honduras. In fact, we're in Honduras right now as we speak. As you can see, the beautiful landscape. I mean, just look at that breathtaking view that we're getting as we approach our dock. And what's it called?
Roatan.
Roatan. We're going to Roatan. Ever heard of Roatan? Roatan, Honduras. We do have an excursion today. We're going to be, what are we going to do? We're going to go snorkeling.
Catamaran.
We're going to go on a catamaran.
Sailing and snorkeling. Snorkeling.
Snorkeling?
Not snorkeling. Snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
No, Dory's blue. Nemo's orange.
Nemo's orange. Dory's blue.
Yeah.
What do you think of the salty water, Hud?